Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add logo to header in Wix. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to editor.wix.com. Once you are here, hover your mouse cursor to the left side of the screen and look for plus add elements, this one over here. Now click on it. Once you are in plus add elements, the next step is to look for add elements and then the image option. In here, you can now have the option to upload images coming in from your computer, or you can also import images from your Google Drive or social media accounts. And then in here, I already have it uploaded, so I can use my very own picture that I have already imported from my PC. Once you already import or upload your photo, the next step is to put in the logo as to where it should be over at your website. Or reposition the logo or the image depending on where you want it to be. Again, this could be anywhere as long as it would match your very own aesthetics. Go ahead, take your time. I'll be here waiting as well. Once you're satisfied with the placement, that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.